Hello everyone, today, let's talk about something very important in the pharmaceutical world, the Common Technical Document, or CTD. The CTD was developed by IC in the early 2000s with one simple goal, to standardize regulatory submissions across countries. Before this, every country had its own submission format, which meant companies had to reformat and repeat the same data again and again. This was time-consuming, costly, and slowed down drug approvals. The CTD solved this problem by creating a single global format. So, how does this help? It saves time and cost since there's no need to reformat for each country. It makes global drug approvals much faster, and it provides regulators with a clear and structured way to review data. You can find CTD in detail in M4 of ICH. Now, let's look at the structure of the CTD, which is divided into 5 modules. Module 1. Administrative and regional information, things like application forms, product details, labeling. This part is region-specific, meaning it changes country by country. Module 2. Summaries, overall summaries of quality, non-clinical, and clinical data. You can think of this as the executive summary. Module 3. Quality, all about CMC, chemistry, manufacturing, and controls. It covers drug substance, drug product, stability data, and specifications. Module 4. Non-clinical reports. This includes pharmacology, toxicology, and safety studies, mostly animal data. Module 5. Clinical reports. Here we have human trial data, including efficacy, safety, biopharmaceutics, PK, PD, and study reports. The best part? All CTD guidelines are freely available on the official ICH website at ich.org. Thank you for watching, and I hope this gave you a quick and clear overview of the CTD. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to RAIG Explore. See you in the next video.